So for us, South Carolina is home. And when I say it's home, I mean the entire state is home. So Schiller and Hamilton has offices throughout the state. We're located in Rock Hill, we're located in Lancaster, as well as Beaufort and Charleston. So we bring statewide strength and resources with very local service to each of the communities that we serve.
When someone's been injured in an accident, there's so many things going through their head. They have to deal with the financial struggles they may be going through, physical pain they may be going through, and then the adrenaline of the accident or the mental anguish that may come from a very severe accident, different things like that. And again, during this time, you're also wondering, well, what are my rights? What do I have to do? What should I do? And does someone kind of have my best interests at heart?
We want to make sure that our clients trust in us, we want to make sure that we trust in one another, and we want to make sure that we trust in our abilities and our legal skills to help our clients recover. We want to make sure that every encounter we have with our clients is met with empathy as we understand what they're going through, as many people here in this firm have been through tragedy themselves. So one thing that struck me very early on when I first moved into Rock Hill to attend Winthrop University was that people spoke of the community as if it were this living, breathing organism that you cared about and that needed constant help, support, and food and nourishment and love poured into it.
There's a large amount of attorneys out there who do this practice. You have so many options, and just like anything, there are good options and there are bad options, and sometimes it's not really clear which direction you should go. So we always tell clients, even if they do not retain our firm or hire us, that you need to explore your options. You need to do your own research. You need to find a firm that is going to have your best interests at heart.
So the state of South Carolina is incredibly unique because, at the end of the day, South Carolina is a rather small state. So in Rock Hill, for instance, it's a small but growing town, somewhat in the shadow of Charlotte, but very much has its own identity and very much its own sense of community. The people here have a willingness to step up and serve others and do things that the community needs.
Since we're so invested with our clients and we're invested in what they're going through and their case on a deeper level than just a file, when our clients win, we feel like we win. And that is not just from a financial perspective, but also just from a fact that they're family at that point.
No one calls us with good news. Everyone calls us when the worst thing that ever happened to them or a loved one happened to them. So we have the opportunity to help and take people from their lowest point to get them back on their feet and move forward and have some degree of normalcy back into their lives.